We are pleased to show you the 2017 Transit 350. The Transit 350 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, dual rear wheels, front wheel independent suspension, power windows, tachometer, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.